Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this viral 3D figurine character with Gemini AI. Let's get started. First, open Gemini AI and start a new chat. Now, click the plus icon and upload the photo you want to transform. Once your photo is uploaded, add prompt 1, which you'll find in the video description. Gemini may take a little time to process the request, so wait for the image to finish generating. And there you go! Your 3D figurine character is ready. As you can see, the result looks really cool. But what if you want to try a different style? No problem. Again, click the plus icon, upload your photo, and this time enter prompt 2, which is available in the video description. Give Gemini a moment to process your request and generate the new image. And here's the second style. This one looks great as well. And if you want to try one more style, let's do it again. Click the plus icon, upload your photo, and enter prompt 3, which you'll find in the video description. Wait a moment while Gemini creates the third version. And here's the third style. You now have 3 different versions created from the same photo. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and creative ideas.